Let's continue. Okay, now please keep yourself muted. Wei Hong, which part of keep yourself muted don't you understand? Only unmute yourself if you're answering a question. Now, who remembers? Raise a hand. Grammar MCQ. How many questions? How many marks? Anybody raise a hand? Grammar MCQ is the start of paper 2. How many questions do you see when you open paper 2? Grammar MCQ. Yes, Rudra?
5 questions, 5
No.
marks.
No, good try. No. Somebody else, raise your hand. Yes, Elias?
10 questions, 10 marks.
Yes, very good. Grammar is always 10 questions, both Cloze and both grammar MCQ. 10 questions, 10 marks. Good. Gives us a point, Elias. Vocabulary MCQ. How many questions, how many marks? I see Elias an angel. Keep yourself muted. Hello? Keep yourself muted. Raise your hand and I will call you. Yes, Elias? Your hand's up, or is it you forget to put it down?
Wait, can I try answering it?
Yeah, I called you. Okay, too long. Put your hand down. Rudran?
Five
Put your hand
questions.
up. Rudran? Yes, good. Rudran, give yourself a point. Yes, 5 questions, 5 marks. Yes. Vocabulary is always half of grammar, okay? Both MCQ and Cloze. Now, I've already mentioned this, so you should know the third one. Raise your hand. Everybody put your hand down. Put your hand down. I'll count 1, 2, 3, and you raise your hand, okay? Put your hand down. Hands down, Elias. Hands down, Elias. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Grammar Cloze. How many questions? Yes, Vaishnavi?
10.
Yes, 10 questions. How many marks?
10 marks.
Yes, good. Give us a point. Good. Yes, 10 questions, 10 marks. Yes. All right. So let's start with the grammar MCQ. Before that, I'm going to just explain. I'm going to recap. You already should know. Okay, this ice doesn't refer to ice cubes, okay? It just refers to ice, not ice cube. I know the picture shows you ice cube, but I'm just talking about ice. Can you raise your hand in the count of 3? I will count of 3. Raise your hand. Tell me which item here is uncountable, feather or ice? Basically what you cannot count, like 1, 2, 3. You cannot put a number to it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Rudran?
Feather.
Feather, good try. No, feather you can count. Feather is countable.
Ice.
Yes, of course, without feather it's ice, right? So yes, the answer is ice. Okay, ice cubes is countable. Remember, ice cube is countable, but ice by itself is not countable because when you freeze things, it's in irregular shapes. You cannot count it. Okay, so yes, next one. Put your hand down, Rudran. I'm going to count to 3. You raise your hand and answer this question. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Shiloh?
Cake.
Yes, very good. Cake is, yes, gives out a point. Well done. Cake is uncountable because you can cut it in any shape and size. Good job. Okay, everybody put your hands down. I'm going to count to 3 and let me see whose hands goes up, okay, for the next question. Now, which word here, which quantifier here you use with things you can count? So think of a noun, things you can count. You say many books or much books, then you will know whether which one is countable already. So put your hands down, everybody. I'll count to 3, then you raise your hand. Put your hands down, Wei Hong. And we count to 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Shiloh's hands was up first. Yes. What's the answer?
So what do you say?
Answer to this question. Many or much? Which one you use with uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns. Yes.
Much.
Yes, very good. Okay, you use many books, many toys. These things you can count, right? But I don't have much time. Time you cannot count. Sleep you cannot count. I didn't get much sleep, so you cannot count. So much is used with uncountable nouns. Very good. Well done. Gives us a point, Shiloh. So remember, many is countable. Much is uncountable. By the way, please pay attention. At the end of the lesson, I'll always ask you one thing you have learned, right? So good to remember one thing you have learned, okay? Let's go on. This one. Which verb below is used for plural nouns? Plural. First, tell me what is plural, then tell me the answer. Ready? I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Varna?
Plural means like many things.
Yes, many, a lot. Yes, very good. And which one is that? What's the answer?
Were.
Were. Very good. Gives up 2 points, one for explaining and one for the answer. Yes, the answer is were. And was is used with singular noun. The opposite of plural is singular, right? Singular noun. Single. That's why the words always end with S. So good. Don't play with my screen, Vaishnavi. Clear my screen. I do not want to see anything on my screen unless I ask you to track something. Now, which verb below is used for plural nouns? You already told me the answer as well. Let's look at the last one. Which word below is used for something nearby? Yes, Wei Hong? This or that? Which one? I cannot hear you if you're speaking, by the way. And if you speak, when I call you, I want the answer immediately. What's the answer?
I think it might be B.
That. Okay, somebody else? Vaishnavi?
No.
This is the answer.
Yes, can you tell me why is it this? You're muted, I cannot hear you.
This is like you're next to it. That
Yes.
is like you're far from it.
Very good. That is far, right? So give her 2 points, one for the answer and one for explaining. Yes, far. So that book over there, this toy over here. So this is near because it's used with here, right? That is far is used with there, right? Over there. Okay. Yes, good. Well done. Next, which I already gave the answer. She already gave the answer. Now, which one? First, tell me what is a preposition. And then tell me which preposition will you talk about the bear? Is it inside or beside? Yes, Shiloh?
Beside.
Very good. And what is a preposition? Preposition comes from the word position, right? It tells you where something is in relation to something else, right? The book is on the table, right? So it tells you where something is. That's one kind of preposition. Yes, give yourself 1 point, Shiloh. Next one. Great job. Now let's look at the questions. Before that, someone is going to choose my pen color. Everybody hands down. If you do not know how to follow instructions and I still see your hand up when your hand is supposed to be down, I'm not going to call you ever like Wei Hong. Hand down, Wei Hong. Okay, everybody, I'm going to count on 3. Raise your hand when I want you to choose a pen color. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, Rudra?
The galaxy.
Okay, let's go with the galaxy. Where is my... By the way, someone is not muted. Hello? Which part of mute yourself don't you understand? Yes, galaxy. Why am I writing galaxy? I'm supposed to write Rudra. Okay, yes. Okay, so we're going to go with the galaxy pen first. Good. Now, listen carefully what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to spin a wheel. Okay, before I spin this wheel, first come, first serve. I'm going to ask you, wait, let me change my chat rules first. I'm going to allow you to talk to everyone for now. Wait, everyone in the meeting. I want you to pick an animal and type in the chat what animal you want. First come, first serve. So if somebody else already wrote panda on top, you cannot write panda again, okay? So choose an animal on the wheel and write the animal on my chat box right now. You can go now. Start. Please type in your chat. Okay, Charlotte wants dolphin, Rudra wants panda, Elias wants tiger. Fine. So a dolphin is taken, a panda is taken, tiger is taken, cat is taken, deer is taken, Amy takes a deer, Vaishnavi took cat. Good. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is somebody missing? 1, 2, 3.
I'm missing.
Fox.
I don't know what to pick.
Oh, Wei Hong, yes. Okay, so you can pick everything else other than dolphin, panda, tiger, cat, deer, and fox. 1,
And
2,
whale.
3, 4, 6.
Is whale taken?
No, whale is not taken.
Let's go.
Okay, so you chose whale. Okay, great. So everybody have chosen a different animal. Now I need someone. Can Shiloh tell me what are the 4 animals that are not chosen? Just look at the chat and tell me what are the 4 animals that are not chosen. So the 4 animals that are not chosen, if the wheel spins and it lands on the 4 animals, I will choose. Okay. So what are the 4 animals that are not chosen?
Miss Nisha,
Yes.
I cannot see anybody's answers. I can only see mine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me give you an opportunity to see everyone's. Okay.
Also cannot see.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Me
Can.
too.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay, can you type the same animal that you type right now? Now you can see everybody. Please type your animals again. Sorry. Type your animals again. Okay. Yes, Amy has typed deer. Type the same animal. Don't change your animal. Okay, now can you see Shiloh?
I can see.
You can see everyone's animals? Okay, good. Now, can someone please tell me what are the 4 animals that no one chose? Anybody?
Whales, chicken. Wait.
Yes, Elias?
Whales. I don't
Whales
see
taken.
whales.
Whale took whale.
Whale to whale. Spider.
Okay, spider's not taken. Yes, Shiloh?
Fox.
Fox is not taken. No one choose fox? Really?
I
Yes,
choose
doubles.
fox.
Yeah, Varna chose fox. Hello, please look carefully. Yes, Shiloh? Spider is not taken. What are the other animals that are not taken?
Dog.
Dog is not taken. Okay. 2 more.
Zebra.
Zebra. Okay. Thank you. And what's the other one more? Yes, Varna?
Lion.
Sorry, do you say lion?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So just double check. No one chose. Please put your hands down, everybody. Did anyone choose spider? No, right? Did anyone choose dog? No, right? Hello, please put your hands down, your hand raised, which means you are choosing dog, is it? Put your hands down, everybody. Elias, Rudra, Wei Hong, put your hands down. Did anyone choose
Well, I
zebra?
thought I just put mine.
No one chose zebra and no one chose lion. Okay, great. So please remember the animals that you have chosen. Okay. So Elias chose tiger, Amy chose sheep, Vaishnavi chose cat, Varna chose a fox, Rudra chose panda, and then Elias
Miss
chose
Nisha,
tiger.
I never choose sheep. I choose deer.
Oh, you chose deer. Oh, sorry.
Just now I say sheep is the not there.
Oh, not there. Oh, not there.
Yeah.
Oh, sheep. Wait, so what the 4 is? There shouldn't be 5, right? So did anyone choose spider? No. Okay, so spider's not. Did anyone choose dog? No. Did anyone choose zebra? No. Did anyone choose lion? No. And then there's one more, sheep. Oh, I think I know why, because it's supposed to be 8 of you.
Bear. Anybody?
What, 8, 9, 10, 11, there's 7 of you. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct. Okay. Who chose dolphin? Who chose dolphin?
Whales. Hello. Shiloh
Oh.
chose.
Oh, Shiloh chose dolphin. Okay. Can you please clear my screen? What's happening on my screen? Please clear my screen.
This is drawing.
Yeah, clear my screen. I'm going to clear my screen. Let me clear my screen. Please don't clear my screen unless you ask permission first, okay? Okay, now I'm going to spin the wheel, okay? Everybody pay attention. And wait, let me clear all drawing, and cancel. All right, let me spin.
Don't pick.
Let's see which animal is going to be the chosen one. Okay, lion. No one chose lion, which means I get to pick. Ha 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 ha. Who am I going to pick? Let me think about it. Okay, I'm going to pick Amy. Amy is going to answer the first question, but everybody is going to answer as well in my chat box. First of all, let me correct back my chat box. Change my chat box to permission to only me, which means only I can see your answer. So you don't copy your friend's answer. Let me do that first. Change answers to only hosts. Okay, so now only I can see your answers. Everybody, please write the answer for question 1 in your chat box. You have 15 seconds. It starts now. Write your answer in the chat box before the timer ends 0. Okay. Let me see my chat box. There's a varying amount of answers. Interesting. Amy, very cute, Amy. I like what you typed. Okay, very good. All of you have given, those of you who have typed within the time, have given me the same answer. Well done. So Amy, what's the answer? You can unmute yourself.
A.
A, very good. A for Amy. Now, why is it A? What's the clue? So, I, yes, I. And also, why is it present tense? Why is it in present tense? Why is it not was? Because these 2 is singular, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why is it not in past tense? Why is it in present tense? Which word tells you it's supposed to be in present tense?